Hey, hey guys, it's me, Lefty. Today we are going to be playing gmod with Funtime Freddy. So are you being it first for Funtime Freddy, or am I?
Yeah, sure. I'll be in.
Run away!
I'm gonna.
Oh, I just found the hole.
Look and I'll let you go in. Hold on. Wait.
I got stuck in the wall.
I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change my character really quick. Hold on.
What?
Okay.
I wanted to go in third person, but you don't have the third person thing.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, and we're being joined by Bon too.
Is this some sort of parkour map?
Hey, Bon.
We're being joined by Bon and Funtime Freddy in this.
This intro is already in shambles already.
I know.
No.
Bon, you might want to hide because Funtime Freddy's it first. Whoa, this portal is trippy.
What the fuck?
Hey, I'm coming for you.
Oh, yeah.
Run away!
I feel like
I got stuck!
I don't want to say this, but I feel like I'm in the place of where the night guard was.
Whoa, what the
Like,
frick? Whoa, frickin' portals. Oh, I heard Funtime Freddy, I heard you.
Oh god. I feel like I'm crawling through the vents in a glory gallery. Oh god.
Funtime Freddy? I hear you. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my.
But Jesus, help me!
Is this circus baby, man? It's so fun. It looks so fun.
Alright, Bon, it's just you now.
No, I'm actually Shadow Bonnie as well.
And Shadow Bonnie.
I can't.
We'll also be joined by Shadow Bonnie.
Other people.
Yeah, other people.
I just saw a name tag.
You already got me, so it's down to 2 players, hiders left.
Shadow Bonnie.
I just saw.
I knew I freaking heard you, Funtime Freddy. I heard your footsteps and I was like, where are you? The Freddy, where are you?
Found ya.
Oh.
You screamed like a little girl.
So now all who's left is Shadow.
Shoot a boonie.
There you go.
I don't know why I said that like that. Bon disconnected.
No.
Funtime Freddy, where are you?
Oh, sorry. Cheated. You get no point.
Who?
Sorry. Well, because
Well, did he spawn kill you, Shadow Bonnie?
Okay, I'll just kill you. Because
I went through a portal and it put me back in the same room. Oh, hi, Funtime Freddy.
I can't find you. Alright, who wants to be at this time? Because,
I'll be it.
Didn't really count. Okay.
Since I died first.
Come here, this is my revenge. Come here.
Run, Funtime Freddy.
What the frick are you? And you don't...
No revenge for
You wanna
you.
go? You know what, now, since you did not kill you a lot of times.
I think my game just crashed.
Hey, stop, you're breaking
We're already 4 minutes in the game.
Okay.
God dang it! Why do these jump scares keep getting stuck on my screen? I had an accent there, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Did you guys already hide?
We're kind of using the Steam voice chat for now, so.
I'm using in-game. I'm using in-game. This map is so trippy. Why? You could get lost so easy in this map.
Yeah.
As I said it, I literally went in a circle. Literally. A full lap around the map and in a circle.
You're never gonna find me, to say. I
Don't
mean,
jinx it. Karma.
You might find me. Alright, fine.
Frickin'! Oh, you got the fudge and be kidding me. Are you serious right now? I can't get out. There we go.
What?
You should have seen my face when I got stuck. Ow, my ears.
Oh, portal! I just went for a portal.
Nobody cares.
I can stream my loudest if you want.
Please don't.
Instead, I'll do that.
Okay. Hold on 1 second.
I had to no clip because I can't crouch to get through the freaking small areas. Okay, that. I thought I heard someone, but that was my footsteps. Oh, I fell. Sounded like a goose. I just saw someone. I keep getting stuck. Why must you do this to me, game? Jesus. I heard a oh god. Okay, you guys are hidden so well. I ran around the whole map 4 times and I couldn't find you. But I don't give up easily. This map is too trippy for me. Sure. Ouch! I fell.
I am in the room colored like SpongeBob and Patrick.
I think I know that room. It's purple and orange.
I know exactly what that is. If I can get out of this stupid blue and green room. Are you kidding me? Jesus!
I like this room.
I'm actually pretty funny.
Yay. I found a green and orange.
Are you kidding me? Finally!
Okay, this is definitely nice.
I finally got unstuck for the first time in forever.
The hardest part is trying to find me.
Where the hell? Okay. Where's Funtime Fruity? Punts. Ouch.
Bon is coming after you. Well, I'm not gonna.
Alright, where are you, Funtime Freddy? Lag.
I hear Lefty. I see Lefty. Oh god.
Oh.
I hear footsteps.
I mean Funtime Freddy.
You hear loud footsteps.
I almost said myself.
If anyone hears,
Like, I thought I saw blue, and I went back and looked, and I was like, oh, you sneaky little... I have a feeling someone else is in there. Nope. Alright. 2 more to go.
Shadow Bonnie's been quiet.
The video's almost over. I only have 3 more minutes. Sorry, 4 more minutes.
Okay.
Fudge! Ouch. If I literally fall down here one more time, I swear. Oh, you got to be kidding me!
Still looking. Don't know where it's at. Go on, could you give us a hint?
Doopa doopa
the only
doo.
one who really wants to phone up the nap and the tonic right now.
God dang it! I fell off again, Funtime Freddy.
Found it.
What?
Found him.
I was already found.
Did you say you were boned?
Well, then why
And
are
why are you winner, Bonnie? Because I don't really. One second.
One more to go.
I like Withered Bonnie. It's my favorite.
3 more minutes.
And Freddy are both my favorites. Actually, hold on. Hair right now, hold on.
Jesus, that lagged me.
It's because of Nightmare.
No, who our Bonbon changed into?
Say a hug.
What?
Come on, give the old Fredbear a hug.
Where the frick is Shadow Bonnie at?
Come on, Lefty, come give old Fredbear a hug.
He's hidden really good. He's been quiet the whole time. It's mysterious.
Now for some reason I can just imagine Fredbear.
2 more minutes until outro.
I don't know where he's at.
Oh, I found you, Funtime Freddy.
Oh, never mind. Hi.
Who's your Foxy?
That's loud.
I think you broke my eardrums.
Same.
That's good.
I pushed you.
1 minute until...
Foxy.
You know, I'm gonna do the outro right now, guys. Let me find the camera so I can do my outro. Where'd it go? There it is. Whoa. Lag. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.